case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that examined the line drawn between landlord rights and tenant obligations, the Colorado Supreme Court in 1983 sided with the tenant, ruling that a landlord has no right to collect rent after a tenant's departure. The case revolved around Phil Aigner, a tenant who had leased 2 units from Cowell Sales Co for use as a laundry facility. Under financial strain, Aigner fell behind on his rent payments, pushing Cowell to serve him a demand for payment of rent or possession notice. Compliance saw Aigner vacate the premises within the 3 days stipulated. Rather than sealing the matter, Aigner's exit sparked a legal battle, as Cowell sued him for unpaid rent, covering the period from May to July 1979. Although the trial court decided in favor of Cowell, ordering Aigner to pay the full amount of $3,187.88, this decision was appealed to the Court of Appeals and eventually to the Colorado Supreme Court, masterminding the legal showdown with the claim that the notice effectively terminated the lease and therefore his obligation to pay future rent. Aigner found affirmation with the Supreme Court. The court contradicted the Court of Appeals' previous decision upholding Cowell's right to collect post-tenancy rent, referring back to the terms of the lease. The court maintained that, absent any specific lease provisions to the contrary, tenants are only liable for rent up until the date they vacate the premises. The Supreme Court's decision reaffirmed this position, essentially reining in what can be expected of tenants post-departure. However, the ruling also maintained that Aigner was liable for the rent due up to the date he left the premises, offering Cowell a balancing victory.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.